At number 1, the Innova 5610 OBD2 bidirectional scan tool, a professional-grade diagnostic device built to help you identify and fix vehicle issues with ease. Compatible with most 1996-2023 OBD2 vehicles, 2024 support coming soon, it provides real-time troubleshooting with access to OBD2 and OEM live data, covering systems like the engine, ABS, SRS, and transmission. Its bidirectional control lets you send active commands such as fuel pump activation or electronic parking brake retraction, giving you dealership-level diagnostic power right in your hands. The Innova 5610 supports English, Spanish, and French and connects seamlessly to the Repair Solutions 2 app for wireless use, free updates, and no subscription fees. Coverage varies by make and model, so it's recommended to check compatibility using Innova's Coverage Checker. Backed by ASE-certified U.S. support, the Innova 5610 delivers accurate, reliable diagnostics, making it an essential tool for both professionals and DIY mechanics. Number 2, the BlueDriver Bluetooth Pro OBD2 scan tool, a powerful wireless diagnostic scanner trusted by both mechanics and everyday drivers. Compatible with all gas vehicles from 1996 and newer, including popular brands like GM, Ford, Toyota, and Honda, it reads and clears check engine, ABS, SRS, airbag, TPMS, and over 7,000 other trouble codes, offering pro-level diagnostics right from your phone. The BlueDriver app connects seamlessly via Bluetooth to your iPhone or Android, giving you real-time live data, unlimited repair reports, and even step-by-step guides and repair videos to help you fix issues confidently. No subscriptions, no hidden fees, just powerful diagnostics and 24/7 professional support through phone or in-app chat. Compact, wireless, and incredibly easy to use, the BlueDriver Pro Scan tool makes advanced vehicle diagnostics accessible to everyone, anytime, anywhere. Number 3, the FOXWELL NT604 Elite, a 2025 upgraded OBD2 scanner built for car owners who want professional-level diagnostics without the complexity. Ready to use right out of the box, it scans and clears fault codes across engine, transmission, ABS, and SRS systems, helping you pinpoint issues and turn off warning lights after repairs. This 5-in-1 diagnostic tool goes beyond basic code reading with features like IM readiness checks, live data streaming, a built-in DTC library, data playback, and printing support, giving you a complete picture of your vehicle's health. The AUTOVIN function quickly identifies your car's information for faster scanning, and it's compatible with over 60 car brands worldwide with no extra software fees ever. Packed in a durable protective case, it also includes lifetime free updates, ensuring your scanner stays accurate and up to date, reliable, fast, and easy to use. The FOXWELL NT604 Elite is your all-in-one diagnostic tool for smarter, stress-free car maintenance. Number 4, the Motopower MP69033 Car OBD2 Scanner, a compact, reliable tool that makes car diagnostics quick and easy. Compatible with all OBD2 vehicles since 1996, it supports 9 protocols across most US, European, and Asian models. This handy device lets you read and erase engine fault codes, view freeze frame data, IM readiness, and monitor real-time data like speed, engine load, RPM, and coolant temperature. It features a 2.8-inch LCD screen with white backlight and adjustable contrast, powered directly from your car's OBD2 port, no batteries needed. The compact design includes a 2.5-foot cable and 6 buttons for quick VIN lookups and DTC checks. Keep in mind, it focuses on check engine diagnostics only, not ABS, airbag, or oil light codes. Just plug it in, start your car, and you're ready to diagnose within seconds, a budget-friendly, plug-and-play solution to keep your vehicle running smoothly. At number 5, the Ancel AD310 Classic Enhanced Universal OBD2 Scanner, a compact, sturdy diagnostic tool trusted by drivers and mechanics alike. Designed for 1996 and newer OBD2 vehicles, it works with US, European, and Asian models, including cars, SUVs, and light trucks. The scanner reads and clears engine codes, identifies the check engine light cause, and shows live data, freeze frame info, and IM readiness powered directly from your car's OBD2 port, no batteries or charger needed. Supporting all major OBD2 protocols, KWP 2000, J1850, BPW, PWM, ISO 9141, and Canon ensures wide compatibility for domestic and import vehicles. For ease of use, it includes a durable 2.5-foot cable, clear display, and labeled buttons. Weighing only 12 ounces, it's portable, convenient, and perfect for quick, on-the-go diagnostics. The Ancel AD310, durable, reliable, and easy to use your go-to tool for fast and accurate vehicle maintenance.